Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa1 in English, and now I'm going to show you how to test this charger using this digital multimeter and using these power outlets. In this case, I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and the first step is read the information on the charger. In this case, like we are reading here, the input voltage is 110 volts and the output voltage is 12 volts. The important information here is 12 volts to set up the digital multimeter. And we need to introduce this part inside the power outlets and connect this part to the digital multimeter. Let's set up the digital multimeter. Negative and positive in this position. Now, choose direct current voltage. Inside this mode, we must choose 20 volts in this case. This is the voltage limit. I choose 20 volts because 20 volts is higher than 12 volts. This means with this voltage limit inside this mode, I can measure 12 volts, 30 volts, 14 volts, and others. Now our digital multimeter is ready. The next step is connect the charger to the power outlets. Introduce and connect. And now, like we are watching, this green light means the charger is working. Now, take this and connect the digital multimeter test probe here. In this way. The red inside and the black in this point, touch. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 13.11 volts. This means this charger is working correctly because 30 volts is higher than 12 volts. And this means this power supply is working correctly. And this number don't change. This means this voltage is stable. And this means this charger is working correctly in this case. Like we are watching now. Disconnect. And in this way, we can test a charger or power supply like this using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa1 in English here on YouTube. Share this video. Give me a like and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.